Little, famous rock star from Edinburgh.
Nice.
Who are you supposed to be?
Ian Kinsler.
Ian Kinsler? Who's that yank?
Don't worry about it.
What do you mean don't worry about it?
Oh, so I guess you're pretty excited about this weekend, huh?
Yeah, Halloween!
You get some candy?
Get some candy for my belly.
Nice. Well, you know that candy's great and all, but you still need to get in campaign shape.
Campaign shape for what?
ACBC?
ACBC? Holy crap, I almost forgot about it.
Thursday.
Next
It's
Thursday.
at Coach's. And it's the halfway point.
We're already halfway?
Yeah.
Holy bollocks. That's crazy.
Financially, we're almost halfway there.
Really?
Every team has sold at least one sponsorship.
Awesome, man.
Brian Stansky,
This is Mansky.
Mark Kelly,
Mark Kelly.
Dick Bashir.
Dick
They're doing
Bashir.
great.
That's
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah.
I really gotta get in campaign shape, but
Yeah.
I want to eat candy all weekend.
Well, here's the deal. You can eat candy, you can trick or treat, but Monday, I'm working you out. You're getting in campaign shape starting Monday.
We're gonna get in campaign shape starting Monday.
Yes.
I'm ready.
You ready?
I want to do it.
Okay.
My accent. Bam.
Rock and roll.
Rock out. Oh.
Happy Halloween!
He did the Monster Mash.
The Monster Mash.
It was a graveyard smash.
He did the mash.
It caught on in a flash.
He did the mash.
He did the Monster Mash. From my laboratory in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast. The ghouls all came from their humble abodes to get a jolt.